Here's the book it came with and stuff. But anyway, so I really don't know what all is wrong with this. When I got it, this is basically how it looked. The center diff was out, and he was starting to take the front diff out. So the front diff seems okay this way. It catches when you do the diff action. So, and then the rear seems okay this way. Diff action seems okay, but I don't need this for right now. Oh, I did pop the transmission out, and there's basically just 2 gears in there, and they're steel. Everything was solid. Everything looked good and solid. And nothing but the best here. Paper plates and Husky knives. Yeah, and there's those 2. Actually, new bearings and everything. And yep, shims and gaskets. I am going to be putting, I've got some million weight. I've got some 500, and it doesn't take a lot. 500 weight Traxxas it is. Oh, it feels like it has more. Let's put this in here. All right. So the plan is, I've got these 2 diffs here too. And here's front rear diff for the BES steel case. Does this say for the BES? It does. I think I'm just gonna build all 3 diffs and have them ready to go, and all my old diffs will just be parts. Sound like a good plan? I think it sounds like a good plan. Good. Ready, let's go. Don't forget the bearings. It's always embarrassing when you put your diffs together and you forget the bearings. So I just take and I'll just grease this up a little bit. And we will put that in. That and that. And that. One of these, if I can get it. Seems pretty solid there. And oops. So we're gonna go like that. Let's see how that feels. That's pretty. A little grease down here. And then I'm pretty sure we're gonna pop on some of these. I think I leave my knife right there where I can find it. I can't find anything. It's in this trash anyway. Okay, so is that. Then we're gonna pop this guy on here. All right. I don't think I had one. All right, so I'll use a little grease there. So that side's done. Okay, so we'll put the bearing on. And we got a different shim on the inside. It's a 8 thou shim. The one that was in there was 13 thou or something. It was too big. I thought it was too big. And I might have to switch. that down. All right. I gotta say, I don't like these diffs. Which I don't like any diffs. They're not my friends. It's like pretty straightforward from here. I think I keep hitting the... I'm gonna put a little drink down in here. 500,000. Kind of kick it off a little bit. Best thing to do is get it everywhere. When in doubt, get it everywhere. All right. So, put this on. I just need a few more small parts to hold on to. All right, we'll put that up. We'll drop it down in there. Hopefully. Where does that get down? Okay, so I dropped it down in there with the flat up. With the intention of, yeah, let's put a little more pee-pee in there. A little more of this. It's not. Why not? Just try to get it. Hoping to wrap this up. In a minute. I wonder what this one is. Oh, that's the one that was too thick. So I'll take the flat and put it down. And hopefully I can get this in there. The old thumbs. Hopefully it seats itself a little bit. And there we go. Give her a little spin. Just a little one. Heck yeah. So my favorite thing to do is overfill the diffs. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pick up a little bit. So I'm going to put that over there. All right. Don't forget the screw. Okay, let's continue to talk to ourselves. Okay, we'll put a little dab in here. I'm like the master. I just overfill these all the time. I just don't care. Maybe that's why my diff's gonna blow up. Okay, pretty much done with that. I'm not gonna put 500 weight in the front. Probably put 100 in the front. And yeah, there's a little too much in there. We'll let her settle down a little bit. Do this guy. Okay, so I'm gonna try putting the gasket down here first. Lining it up. And that should be this guy. So I'm gonna use red Loctite. I've done it before. I used it on my Sen Colossus a lot. I just coat the threads. I don't get carried away. Hopefully we can put this guy on here without too much commotion. So she's settling down. Just gonna get these all started. I use the red Loctite paste. I use this red Loctite. Doesn't seem to be as strong. But there's nothing worse than your screws coming loose on your on your diffs. Nobody wants that. And that's why I wear gloves too. All right, let's see how it feels. It feels thick. It feels real thick. Wow. It's weird that this center diff has a shim. Okay, that's one done. Put it over there. I'll know what's what. And we'll stop this. All right, next I'll probably I might do the front diff. Or I might just do it and then put them in. I don't know. So thanks for watching.